we're back at you with a brand new video. Today we're going to go out and we're going to do a top speed run on the Grom. Haven't had the Grom out much because the weather has been terrible. It's been cold, it's been rainy, and we've had snow off and on. But we're going to go out today and try and get a top speed on this. From the factory, it's supposed to go 58 mile an hour. So we'll see where we're at. I have, how many miles are on this thing now? I don't even know. Oh, 72. There's 72 miles on the bike. Just kind of driving it around the neighborhood for a minute, let it warm up before we get to the top speed run. Had a busy couple of weeks. My parents live down in Tennessee, and unfortunately their place burnt down. There was some wildfires in Tennessee, and there was like probably about 100 homes that were lost in that wildfire. And unfortunately my parents' home was one of those homes that got burnt down. And then so I came back in town from Tennessee, and we had some nice I mean, it was still raining, but at least it was a little bit warmer. And took Jeremiah out, and this year is his first year on the 250 KH250F, and we got some training in with him at Doug Dunaway Memorial Motocross Park. So I'll just insert right here a 60-second clip of that. So here's that. Alright guys, the Grom's warmed up now. Been riding it for a little bit, so let's see what kind of top speed we can get off of this. Remember, this bike is completely stock. I mean, I just bought it off the showroom floor about 3 weeks ago, so I haven't done anything to it. Still got the cheesy mirrors on it. I mean, I haven't done anything to it yet. So once I get around this corner, I'm going to top down and see what kind of top speed I can get out of it. So the camera view is probably going to suck for a second when I do this. 59. There you go. Top speed on it was 59. Advertised is 58, and he was able to get it up to 59 with me tucked. And as soon as I started to lean up, obviously I'm catching more wind, and it knocked down to like 56 mile an hour pretty quick. So we got 1 mile an hour over, you know, the 58 mile an hour top speed on it. I know there's a lot lot of things that you can do to these Groms too, you know, to make them faster. But I just haven't, I ain't messed with any of that stuff yet. I'm just going to enjoy riding right now. Just come down, see if we can do it. We barely hit 63, so that's actually kind of impressive. I got it up to 63 mile an hour just now. Once I tuck down, once I get like last time, once I came back up, it obviously slowed down quite a bit. But I'm actually kind of impressed though that in stock, being completely stock, you can get these things up to 63 mile an hour relatively easily. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to do a real quick, throw up a short video of a top speed run on a 2022 Grom. And there you have it. We barely hit 63 for a split second. And on another road, when I tucked in, we did 58 on a completely stock Grom. I'll show you guys. If I can get it in neutral. This thing's hard to get in neutral. There we go. But as you guys can see, it's completely stock. Still got the stuff on the back, temp tag. So completely stock Grom, and it's the 2022 SP, and she just did 63 mile an hour. So I'm actually kind of impressed with that. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.